We are in Shanghai and it's time for a room tour. So I've stayed in this hotel before and I love it so much. Like, check out this view and the bathtub. What should we eat for dinner?
But maybe we can unpack first? Then we can leave.
Okay. And this is what I've packed for my trip. I love how we have these luggage organizers. So this is a set of 7 that costs $14 on Q10, and I packed my intimates, accessories, clothing, and beauty products. So luggage is very organized. I also packed some of my favorite beauty products for this trip. There is this sleeping mask from Fresh, which I am very obsessed about. There's also the Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner. And this is just one of my favorite foundations. It is a serum and a foundation combined, so it's skincare and makeup. And the eyeshadow palette I've chosen for this trip is the Urban Decay Cherry palette. I also packed some Clarins products. This is why I'm in Shanghai. We are here for the launch of the V-Shaping Facial Lift, which is already available on the Clarins website. Next up, I have accessories. So I did quite a lot of accessory shopping in Seoul. And I'm going to show you what I brought from Singapore and what I got from Seoul as well. Here are some of the accessories that I packed. And I also packed some items from By Invite Only for this trip. I brought 2 necklaces, a bracelet, and 2 pairs of earrings, just so I can wear them for the dinner later. And now for clothes, and no, I didn't just pack this amount. I have more the other side, but this is just the neat side that I want to show you guys. A good packing tip for some of you guys is to actually rent clothes, and I actually have some clothes I rented from Style Theory, so you don't actually have to own these clothes. You just have to pay a subscription fee monthly, and then you can get 3 clothes at any one time for as many times as you want in that particular month. Let me show you what I rented from Style Theory. So I have this green jumpsuit from House of Sunny, very bright, very green. I'll probably wear it for one of like the major events during this trip, so I probably won't go around Shanghai wearing this too much. And because the weather report says it's summer throughout Seoul and Shanghai, I decided that I get this like spaghetti dress just in case like it gets too hot. And then I also have this red top. So these 3 items, it's like super easy. I can just go home and, you know, schedule a pickup, and I don't even have to wash my clothes, so super simple. Okay, so I have 20 minutes to get ready. I am just ironing the Style Theory top, and I'll make my way out. You can make use of all the UOB cards, GSS promotions I stated all throughout the video. So make use of them and happy shopping. Bye!